are here at Tavasetlo in Soweto, Johannesburg, to support children who are destitute, from impoverished community, by handing over pairs of shoes, which is a project initiated by the Johannesburg Community Corrections. Johannesburg Community Corrections has managed, and I'm talking of officials, to collect pair of shoes that they are giving to these learners from Tavasetlo in Soweto. This school is being supported by us even in terms of renovations. Our partners, Human Capital Learning Solutions, have contributed 50 pairs of shoes. These are our partners that we are involved with in the project in Heidelberg. Therefore, we are here to restore dignity to the impoverished communities, and these learners will be able to have shoes to come to school. Therefore, we would like to thank our partners, the Safer South African Foundations, the Human Capital Learning Solutions, the Department of Education, the officials from Johannesburg Comco, as they do things differently, for the support and the initiative that they came up with.
Correctional officials invited me because they saw the need for the children at the school. Some of them, no shoes. If they have shoes, they're very small. They don't fit them. Where I am now as a pensioner, with Safer South Africa, I work a lot with stakeholders like them, correctional services. They are like my spine when it comes to me delivering for Safer South Africa Foundation, the Communities and Justice Program. They help me to deliver the Communities and Justice Program. And the department in correctional services that I work with is community correction. Community correction, they are the ones that are helping our men and women that found themselves on the wrong side of the law, and they ended up in the correctional facility. So when they get parole, the team that I was with here are the ones that are helping them to walk an extra mile, to be accepted back in communities, to be better people. Some of them that they have, I have myself. I do have, I can justify that. They are people that want to be accepted back by us communities. They helping us now. They imparting to the youth, especially in our high schools, to say, please, whatever it is that you're doing, stop being a bully at school. Stop carrying any knives and guns and any ammunition. Stop making other children feel like they don't want to come to school, because some of these things end up making them angry and then end up committing crime to the extent that they go to this correctional facility. But to community correction in the correctional services, I'd like to say you do an amazing job. And most of the things you did here today, you did not even get from anybody, not from a sponsor. You worked with your families, put your hand in your pocket to say, Gauteng, we are going to start making you work. We want people to see from us as correctional officials that we want our communities to be better. You are talking the walk.
This is not our first interaction with Johannesburg Community Corrections. We have had them at our school in July, in the month of July, where our school was dilapidated and needed painting. And they came in with the Paralis to actually paint the school for us. And from that day, we fell in love with each other, and we decided we were going to do more projects together. So they approached us also to say they would like to give our learners some shoes and assist us even further with more tick box wish list that we have. So today they are here and they're giving our learners shoes. It's 131 shoes that they're giving today to learners. And it's not anything that we've heard from anybody before. And because of that, we are very thankful. And it's very important what happened today because of the district development model where different stakeholders come together to assist each other. So in this instance, Johannesburg Community Corrections came and collaborated with us to provide shoes for 431 learners. These learners are so happy, and some of them is the first time they're actually owning a brand new pair of shoes. They've always had a hand-me-down as a pair of shoes that they're wearing to school. Some of them are children that have never seen themselves being given a gift. So for them to actually own a gift is the first time anybody has ever said, I love you so much, here's a pair of shoes for you. And some of them immediately they took off their shoes and said, I'm wearing these ones that I got today. So it's so beautiful. We'll also like to appreciate and thank Johannesburg Community Correctionals officials who from their own pockets dipped deep and provided these shoes for our learners. And from that initiative, we are so thankful that they were able to partner with HCLS, who boosted now the number to up to 50, so that from whatever number it was, then it went up by 50, which was incredible. So more learners are going to benefit from this, and it's a happier moment for all of us. We are very thankful.